Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my July Medusa's makeup subscription. So let's open this up and see what we're getting. Okay, so we have an advertisement saying that next month will be the birthday box. So, yeah. Lucky number 7. We celebrate 7 years of beauty boxes, so that's fun. And then we have the card for this month. It looks like it's just kind of a touristy decorative theme, and we're getting 5 products in here. So it's a $67 value. Let's tuck in and take a look at what we're getting. So this is the first item. It's one of their eye dusts. This is the eye dust in Pennywise. So this will now have been, I think, my 3rd or 4th Pennywise. I've gotten it in this exact subscription before, which makes no sense why they would send the same one again. I've gotten it in another box. I'm kind of sick of getting Pennywise. I'm going to put this in the giveaway. We're already off to a bad start. So that's annoying. Next, we have the Witch Hazel Facial Toner. So let's take a look at the card. Oh, and by the way, Pennywise is a $9 value. This Witch Hazel Facial Toner is a $14 value. I'm probably also not going to use this. I'm tempted to keep it because, I mean, the ingredients are just witch hazel and benzoic acid and water. I could probably use this in other ways. I don't know, I gotta think about this. It's not exciting. Honestly, for $14, I can go to the store and get my own witch hazel. This is kind of meh. So we're really not doing well this month. Okay, then we have the lip balm in the color Hustle. Now, I don't think we've gotten that color. I mean, obviously I want to see it before I make that statement, but I'm pretty sure I don't remember getting a lip balm colored Hustle. So this is a $12 value. Oh yeah, this is pretty bright. That's what it looks like in the tube. Now these are usually a little sheer in application. Yeah. Let me twist it up to put the lid back on. So yeah, it's a little sheer in application for the lip balms. But that looks like a nice color, and actually it's kind of similar to what I'm wearing. I'm definitely going to keep that, and I'm happy to have that. The next item is a Halo Glow Face Stick, and I actually really like this product. And this is in the color Beach Bunny. That name sounds really familiar, but I feel like that's a common name, so it could be from some other product. This is a $16 value, and this has plastic on it, so I just got to get the plastic off, and then we can take a look at the color. Actually, while I'm taking this plastic off, I'm also going to double check and make sure I don't have Beach Bunny, because the name does sound familiar, but like I said, it's a common name. Okay, so it looks like I have Sepia, Lily, and Bubbly, or Tiger Lily and Bubbly. So let's take a look at what Beach Bunny looks like. Here's what it looks like in the tube. It's kind of like a terracotta, sort of. And let's swatch it. Now, it's very possible I did give away one of these, I think, in the past to a friend. I don't remember what color that was, but it looks like this is a pretty nice color. A deeper peachy tone, almost like a pumpkin, almost like my shirt, kind of. And that's actually really pretty. I think that's quite nice. I can't wait to try that. So, like I said, that is a $16 value. So, half good and half bad right now. Okay, and the last product looks to be a liquid eyeshadow. I've got a couple of these, and it looks like it's come with a spoolie brush. It's pictured together, so I'm assuming they go together. Mascara brush. Yes, this is 4.A. So it's an extension of this product. Add liquid eyeshadow to tips of lashes. So that's kind of fun. And you can always use a spoolie. But this is the liquid eyeshadow in the color Sophia, which is $14, and it says this is a $2 value, which, I mean, it's not a $2 value. I'm pretty sure I've got Sophia, but let's just take her out and look at her just to make sure. Yeah, I have this. So they have already sent Sophia, and I already have an open Sophia. That's annoying. 2 products in the subscription they have already sent before. Why? 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 So that's very annoying. I'm going to put the unopened Sophia back in the box and also add that to the giveaway so that I can add some makeup products to the giveaway, because it's not often I get to add makeup products. So I guess we're going to look at that as the bright side of this shitty situation, in the fact that 2 products out of 5 I've already gotten in this exact subscription, which makes no sense. Yeah. So I'm not fond of this month's box. While I do really like the 2 products that I actually am excited about, the colors are really pretty. I think these are going to be fun. We got 2 products that literally we've gotten before. Now, that's not a problem if you've just subscribed, but if you've been subscribed for any amount of time, this does not promote loyalty. This makes me want to unsubscribe. So that's irritating. The spoolie's nice. I would not add this as $2 to the value. You can get like 100 packs of spoolies on Amazon for just a few bucks. And the witch hazel. I'm sure someone will enjoy this. Witch hazel can be a little strong on certain skin types. I'm probably not going to use this, honestly. I'm probably just going to either stick it in the giveaway if it fits, because the giveaway box is pretty full. I think we'll be doing the giveaway at the end of this month, or give it to a friend if it doesn't fit in the giveaway box. So that, I'm not wild about this box. I'm gonna say this box, it's not failing because there are 2 products I like, and you know, this little bonus I'll use, but it's scraping by the skin of its teeth. It's a D. D minus? It's a D. This is not a great box in my opinion, especially when you throw loyalty in the mix. This feels like a punch in the gut. So that's my opinion on this month's Medusa's makeup box, and I'd love to know what your thought is. I'm sure if you're a new subscriber, you're excited about these, because these are 2 very beautiful products that they have. The blue is really gorgeous. I love using this as an eyeliner, and Pennywise is a beautiful color, but still very annoying to get doubles in the exact same subscription that you've gotten them in before. So that's my thought process. Like I was saying, thumbs up, comments down below, subscribe if you'd like to stick around for a while. What else? Amandaphenomenon.com. I've been posting a lot of new blog posts lately, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.